Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix this Epic Games account is already linked to a different social club account. So this happens if you input the wrong email address here. So what you're going to do is you have to open your Epic Games and then go to your account right here. And the reason why you need to open this is because if your email address is connected to your Rockstar, then all you have to do is just simply copy the email address that you have used here in Epic Games and then paste it in your Rockstar Social Club account. So go to your profile, tap account right here, and then here you will see the email address. So all you have to do is to copy this one and paste it there. Now, if you have forgotten your email address or your password, then what you're going to do is to go back to Rockstar Games homepage. And then what you're going to do is to simply click this forgot your password, and then they will send an email, and all you have to do is to follow the instructions in order for you to open it again. The third method is you have to go to Rockstar Games customer support, click account support right here, and then you have to make sure that you're signed in to any email address, not really necessary the email address that you have linked to your social um, Rockstar account or social club. So here, click sign in, you have log in, account linking, and then here you have to go back to your Epic Games again, and then copy this ID, and then paste it right here, and then description. So here you can tell them whatever you want, like, hi, please help me. I have bought a game from Epic Games, but I can't remember the email address connected to my Rockstar game. So please help me recover it. And then you can add picture here and then submit a ticket and then wait for the customer service team to help you with this matter. I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.